Hi, today I just discussed the topic Azure Cost Management. It's the part of the AZ-104 Azure Administrator topic. Okay, so we will cover today Azure Cost Management. Okay, how to we can discuss for cost analysis, cost alert, and how to we can do the budgeting. Okay, so what is Azure Cost Management? Microsoft Cost Management provides support for the administrative billing task and help you manage billing access to the cost. Azure product and service you pay only for what you use. I told you before this pay as you go service. Okay. Microsoft cost management portal, you can manage whatever the expenditure and whatever service you are using, and everything will be shown in that portal. And you can see your expenditure and your forecasting and all the report. You will get the details. Okay, so we will cover for cost analysis, budget, cost alert, advisor, recommendation. Okay, Azure cost management, cost analysis. Cost analysis is the understanding expenditure with Azure. Create a quick report. Understanding current cost, the utility predict anticipate forecast expenditure for the month ahead. So cost analysis, you can get the report, current expenditure, how much you spending, and you can also get the next, if monthly base you will get the next forecast also. Okay, example, you will spend this month 200 USD, so you will get the expenditure, and also you can get the forecast whatever happening in the next month. Also you will get that report also. Okay, you can easily management your cost. Okay, so Azure budget create a logical way for scope define and cost management it to manage the cost expenditure on the resource. Use the prevent unexpected expenditure such as runway cost. So Azure budget, you, if example you can create one budget for in the Azure portal. Example, you will create for $100. This month we need to spend only $100. If more than $100, we need to get the alert like this one. So cost alert also depends on the cost budgeting. Okay, so if you put this cost budgeting, you put the threshold how much you will be used. If example 19 percentage, $90 you will complete, you will get the threshold alert for your particular cost threshold will be completed. Okay, so cost, but I will show you how to we can create the budget also. Okay, so Azure Cost Alert. Cost Alert in a notification for identify alert trigger point that are configured of environmental resource or resource group that exceed the expected expenditure or when we are getting the cost threshold. Yeah, I told you before. We will create one budget and we will put the cost alert for the budget also. When we will put one threshold, example $100, we will make this one when the $19 will be completed, we will get the cost alert. Okay, so the cost budgeting, cost alert, this depends on the Azure cost management portal. Okay. Yeah, this is one of the important for advisor recommendation. Advisor automatically detect the cost optimization that can be implemented within the tenant. Recommendation are particularly good and will absolutely lead the cost saving. So what is advisor recommendation? In the Azure portal, the cost management, you will get the recommendation, advisor recommendation, where the cost is more than and how to we can reduce the cost is one of the good good example for the Microsoft, because Microsoft always support for the cost cutting. So see, when you are get to this one, and so each recommendation you will check this one and you can resolve the cost, how to we can reduce the cost. Okay, so advisor recommendation is one of the important. Okay, so now we will go for the portal. So I will show you how to we can make the budgeting and how to we can create the cost alert, and we will check. Okay, before we will go for, I will show you one cost alert hierarchy. Okay, so here you can see the billing account, then department basis, then enrollment, then we will create the subscription. So resource group depend on the subscription. For each resource whatever you are using, it's depend on the subscription. We will create for billing entity and resource entity. So resource entity we include the subscriptions. Okay, and billing entity is encoded for the whose account, department, and one main your enterprise account. Because my previous topic I already told the hierarchy of the subscription. I have the same things here, the cost area. So here cost are so specific. Usage cost may be vary between the location. Yeah, usage cost is very important, very, because when you select the resource, you particularly choose the nearest region. Okay, cost inbound and outbound data transfer is different. I think outbound is payment, and inbound cost inbound is Azure is different, the payment. Prepay with Azure reserved instance, use your on-premise license with Azure hybrid in, benefit, optimize with alert, budget and recommendation. Okay, so now we will go to the portal and we will check the Azure cost management. Okay. Okay. Before we will go for the Azure portal, we will check for pricing calculator. So when you need any resource from the Azure portal, your best option to check the what is the exact price will be happened in the that resource. Okay, so better you will, because as per the, just to go for the Google example, just to go for the Google, then type Azure pricing calculator. After that you can go for this website for Azure pricing calculator. Okay, so now we will go for, I already put the website. Okay, so I just select one virtual machine. Okay, here you can see the virtual measurements in ladder. And okay, I just go for downside. See here you can see the virtual machine and how monthly cost will be dollar 137.24. Okay, because you whatever the review, you select your regions and Windows or whatever the operating system and the size of the Azure virtual machine, and you can see this all in how much expect how much dollar will be coming for monthly. Okay, so this website is one of the good website for calculating your prices. So okay, you can get the imaginary price for the how much coming in your monthly cost. Okay, you can select whatever the service you need, Azure Cosmo DB, SQL database, storage account, yeah, whatever you need, just convert and then check the exact cost will be coming. Okay, so now I reach Azure portal. Here cost management subscription, so I just go for the cost management. Okay, so just to click the subscriptions. See here you can see the see the cost analysis, cost analysis, cost alert, and budget and advisory recommendation. Here we can go for cost analysis. Currently I don't make anything, so I don't have any cost analysis report. So once you will be making anything, it depends on the, here will be show everything. See actual cost, forecasting is available, and the budget, no, because I did not create the budget, those they not coming. So here will be show all the graphical representation from here. Okay, so how to, we can also, you can download your cost analysis also. Just click this download button and you can make Excel or CSV or whatever you need. Just click this one, download the chart or view all the report also. You configure export automatic publish your billing data to storage account daily, weekly or monthly. You can create the billing account, and I think you need to make a storage account before creating this one. Okay, so just okay, now we will go for cost budgeting. Okay, just to click the budgeting, how to we can create the budget. Okay, just to put add button, then here you can write the name of your budget. So for visual skill view budget, whatever the name is, billing month, creation June to expire date. Okay, then billing amount I will put 120 USD. Depend on the region, whatever the price we will be set, it comes depend on the region. Okay, so just here view monthly cost data. Here you will see this your monthly cost diagram when you are using. So this cost, put this cost and depends on the, put the amount. Okay, you understand, because threshold means whatever example you will get to this monthly cost is 200 and your forecasting is like 250, so put this amount is 200. Okay, so it's my point, if whatever you can do you will do it, but here you will can see your previous cost data. Okay, so that depends on the cost data you will put the budget. Okay, so go for next, and here alert condition, you can create the alert condition setup actual or forecasting. So So I told you actual means you will put the right amount for dot. Forecasting means what is the next billing will be coming. Okay, if example you will spend 200 USD, the forecasting will be showing as per your spending, the forecast will be showing like a 250 like this. So we will put our actual and we will put whatever the threshold 900, 900. Oh, sorry, 19. Then you can create. See here, you need to create an action group. So where we need to get the alert or like this. So we will create one action group. Go to here and create the action group. So here I will put resource group. I don't have any, just to put one resource group budget, monthly budget. Okay. So global region action group name billing, billing team. Okay. Display billing team. And next notification. What type of node? Email, Azure resource or manager or email or SMS push request. So whatever you need, you can create this one. So select Azure manager role, owner, or here you can owner contributor reader, and this will I will describe the next topic. But you will select owner, enable the common alert thing. Okay, then click OK. Notification name record. Yeah, this is like owner name is Richo. So who is the owner of this Azure account? They will receive the notification. So go for next action. What action type you need? Event hub, logical app, secure, webhook, automation, account type. This one you need, no, need to select action type. This step is optional, but I don't want to action type. Just I will go for next tag. Tag or name it to value. You can put the tag value. Just to put the billing and value is if also this you can like okay, so but I will just put, then I will put create. So waiting for the creation of action group. Okay, I think I get the error because I am using the MSD in Microsoft. So you just create, then you can get the action group. Okay, so we will go for creating the budget. Okay, because action group I cannot create. Then after that you select your manage action and alert. If you receive the email you need to alert, you already put to the action group, then you just create the budget. Okay, so this one because I am not using the my own Azure subscription, so I cannot create the budget. Okay, so the step is same like this one, then create the groups and like manage action group, then create the budget alert. Okay, next we will go for cost alert. Okay, here you can create the cost alert. I told you before, but you need to create the budget first, then you can put the cost alert. So here you need to add the budget. So we once you create the budget, then you can select this add the budget, then you can put the cost alert. Here you need to select your budget and you can put the cost alert. So currently I will check this one. So here to put the budget details and the billing month, and here you can put the monthly cost like 100, yeah, something like this. So just to go for next, and here you can manage. Here also we can problem with manage action group. Then you can set the alert for the user who needed to create this one. Okay. So next we will check the advice recommendation. Here also we don't receive any advice because we are not receiving. If you have the problem, then you will receive the all the advisory here how to we can do the post manager. You just refer this one. You can because I don't receive because I don't have any actually because I'm not using any resource or anything, so I don't get the any recommendation. So if you get the recommendation, you will select the recommendation and analysis where the post will be coming more outage. Okay, so I think almost I shared all the topics related to the post management. So I think you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.